This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Bashirtadis. Thanks for joining us at xm.com. Equity markets were mostly on the back foot again on Tuesday as an expected rate cut in China failed to ease concerns about the flagging economy, while constantly shifting rate hike expectations elsewhere added to investors' apprehension. The People's Bank of China cut its 1- and 5-year loan prime rates by 10 basis points each, following similar reductions to its other lending rates in the preceding week. The anticipated move was initially seen by investors as a sign that policymakers in China are ramping up their efforts to revive the stalled recovery. But the reaction suggests markets are unimpressed, deeming the size of the cut insufficient to spur growth. Shares in Hong Kong took the brunt of the sell-off in Asia, with Chinese indices declining more modestly. The China-sensitive Australian dollar also came under pressure, suffering a double blow as the Reserve Bank of Australia revealed in its last meeting minutes that the June rate hike was finely balanced. The mood was a little brighter in Europe, where stocks were attempting to get back into positive territory, but this was proving to be a struggle, with U.S. futures remaining in the red. For equity traders, the primary focus this week is Jerome Powell's semi-annual testimony before lawmakers on Wednesday and Thursday. Markets are currently anticipating just one additional 25 basis point hike from the Fed versus the 2 telegraphed in the dot plot. Even if the Fed were to stay on hold for the rest of the year, it's unlikely it would begin cutting rates in early 2024, so some upside is possible for the dollar. Having rebounded somewhat from the post-Fed meeting lows, the dollar index is drifting lower today as the Japanese yen bounces back after days of heavy selling. The yen had gone into freefall in the run-up to and aftermath of last week's Bank of Japan decision. Today's reversal is likely due to profit-taking being triggered from the combination of more verbal intervention warnings by Japan's finance minister and the dollar-yen pair approaching a key technical level. In other currencies, the pound is trading somewhat lower, below $1.28, ahead of tomorrow's UK CPI data, which could determine the size of the rate increase from the Bank of England the following day. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at xm.com.